My dear child, God will fill your life with love, peace, joy, and happiness. A miracle will happen for you in coming months. It will be the best surprise for you because only you have faith in God. He is impressed by your trust in Him. Blessings are ready to reach you as soon as possible. Lord has big plan for you. Trust the timing of it. It is unfolding in your favor. It is all in divine order. You will yourself got to know that your life got a turning point. All good things are starting to happen soon. Type yes if you believe.